Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you a traditional Syrian recipe called carawiyah. Carawiyah is a spice which is called caraway in English and is used to make this recipe. This recipe is usually made in the wintertime because it warms you up and gives you lots of energy. Let's get started. I'm adding 4 cups of water to my pot. As soon as your water starts warming up, add 2/3 cup of rice flour. Whisk it very well on medium heat. Then we're going to add our caraway spice. I'm adding 1/2 cup of caraway spice. Now you can start out with less because sometimes some spices are more potent than others, but this is just a starter recipe. Then I'm adding 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to whisk all my ingredients together until it comes up to a boil. Now this is the consistency that you want it before it's starting to boil. It's a little bit thick, but not too thick. As it boils and then you turn off the heat, it may thicken up a little bit before serving. You can always add water to dilute it a little bit. This is the consistency that you want it when you're ready to serve it. Here are my toppings. I measured 1/4 cup of pistachios, 1/4 cup of almonds, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts. You may want to get these ready before you start cooking the carawiyah. What I'm doing is I'm soaking them in a little bit of water so they can soften up, and then I will drain them before I top off my carawiyah. You're also going to need 1/4 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut. Now your carawiyah is ready to serve. Top it off with shredded coconut and then you can add your nuts on the top. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you enjoy making this at home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my page on Facebook and follow me on Instagram.